Hello, Dwellin here, PROTECH Roofing Solutions, doing a roof inspection in Andover, Ohio. Blue skies, grain bins, and roofs. Beautiful thing. Have an aged torch down roof here. It's half of a Quonset hut style roof. It goes down over. They're having multiple leaks where water is migrating into seams that are coming apart. You can see here places where water can come in and hit that edge and go in. There's places like that all over the roof. There we have drip edge that is popped up. That's a place for water to get underneath. Even though it's on the outside edge, it's not a good thing. So that's what we're looking at. I took a core sample. There's multiple layers of torch down roof in here, and we're going to provide some options to restore the roof for them. So if you have any commercial or industrial roofing needs, give us a call. We'll be happy to help. Everyone have a great day.